Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin Daily Update. We are going to see the Bitcoin's crash, and before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Links in the description box. You can either join Patreon/MindYourCrypto, BuyMeACoffee/MindYourCrypto, or our site, BillMindYourCrypto.com. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. You will also get personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, and hold your future in your hands. Market updates, random giveaways, Pine scripts for trading view, and many other benefits, live trading as well. We are waiting for you. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go and see Bitcoin. Right now we got rejected on the daily frame, on the 20-day exponential moving average, this yellow line right here. You can see we had huge sell pressure, went down into the near 38.9, and this is the regression trend. Okay, this is when we go to the bottom line, we usually have a buying pressure. When we go to the top line, we usually have a sell pressure. Okay, so right now, what do we need to do? We need to go above this line right here, and we need to get ourselves back above. Okay, if we do not get it, then we will go further down into the 37K. We are going to see though the exact targets. Do not worry about that. We have the Pearson's R of 0.935, a very strong correlation right here. So this is very good. The regression trend is going very nice, but we want to see what Bitcoin is going to do and where is the bottom. Okay, can we identify the bottom towards the next swing high we were talking about in our videos, in our market updates as well? We are going to delete this one right here. And of course, what are we going to do right now for Bitcoin is we are going to identify the next price targets. Before we go though into Bitcoin, we will go into Ethereum, and you can see that Ethereum is very likely, does not have yet, but it is very likely to have a bullish RSI divergence on the daily frame. We already formed the lower low pattern. We do not want to get the lower price right now. We do not want Ethereum to get even lower to the price to reach the RSI below the 26.5. Okay, eventually if we stop with a higher low right here, we have established the bullish RSI divergence. Ethereum is about to break above and make a very huge swing high right here, and we are going to see very nice things for Ethereum as well. You can see that it is now at the 2.8k. Back on September it was around this area right here, this price level area, and we will be going higher with this bullish RSI divergence on the daily frame. Okay, as for Ethereum against Bitcoin chart, we have a bullish RSI divergence probably right here because this was a lower low. Okay, but we do not want to get passed down again. We do not want to have a lower pressure right here, a selling pressure, and to get even lower, so we lose this bullish RSI divergence on the daily RSI. So therefore, Ethereum is very likely afterwards, if it gets that bullish RSI divergence, to reapproach higher levels and to go even further above than 3.4k to 3.5, 3.6, 3.7, and so on. Okay, we can even reach the 4k again with Ethereum right here, and we will see if we can do that. For the time being, we are looking for the bullish RSI divergence that it is very likely to be formed. Okay, as for the official transform, also a higher low pattern right here. This is good as well. We want to see Ethereum going upwards. Okay, so let's go back to Bitcoin, and we are going to discuss the next price targets right there and what do we need for Bitcoin. Okay, so Bitcoin right now, I think most of you are in a loss, and I'm really sad about that. However, though, you shouldn't be sad and you should be waiting right now. Patience is the key for success. I will explain why. First of all, we have a very low risk on the weekly. Okay, I've talked about that again, and I told you back then, it doesn't matter if we go down 7-10%, we will eventually make a very huge swing high towards the upwards. Okay, we will eventually go even higher, breaking the target after the target. For Bitcoin, I do not know if we are going to go at the 69k. all right, we might never go at the 69k. I mean that for the short term. Okay, for the mid term, for the long term, of course we are going to surpass the 69k, but for now, for the next 1 to 2 months, we might not reach the 69k, but at the meantime we might go to the 51, 54k and so on. All right, So therefore, what do we need to do right now is that we need to go and of course to form right here. You can see that for Bitcoin as well, we have a very low RSI, okay? And of course, altcoins dominance is getting stronger. I believe that altcoins will go even higher and will outperform Bitcoin. But anyway, check this out. We can correct a little bit more due to the stochastic RSI. So the possible support levels for me for Bitcoin could be around 37 to 38K. All right, drawing a fib from this bottom to this top, you can see that we have the 38.5, 37.8, 37.3 around there. Okay, so I think that we might be getting around here, and in the time being, if we get back then, we might be having a very strong buying pressure. Okay, and we will be getting even higher on the time being. You can see the daily RSI, it is getting a low pattern. Same here for the stochastic RSI. The commodity channel index already in an oversold again, and the Fisher transform as we are going further down, it does not go so low. This is also good as well. I feel like we are going to have the buying pressure we were talking about very soon enough. Just a little bit patient. I know your portfolio, most of your portfolio is bleeding right now, but trust me, as fast as it can go down to 30%, minus 40%, it can go up to plus 10, 20%, and so on. Do not worry about that. Market will decide whether it's going upwards or not. I have the 37. I had actually the 37 to 39K as my next target. Now we went down to the 38.2K, which is in the middle, kind of in the middle. And I think that if we are about to go to the 37.3 and so on, then we are going to go even higher towards the next price targets. Of course, we are going to surpass the 44K. Of course, we are going to go above the 45.7, and of course, we are going near the 51K. The only problem is as we are going down furthermore right here, the only problem will be that we have lower highs, and therefore we have lower low, lower high pattern, and therefore it will be harder to break the 51.5. Okay, as long as we are going down, as we keep going down, it will be harder to break some resistance levels. But at the end of the day, I think that we are going to reach the 51.5K, and I think that we are going even higher. Check this out, total hash rate is increasing every day starting from 13 January. We have something similar towards the 3rd July again, where the blockchain, the total hash rate actually of the Bitcoin was increasing all the time. Okay, and after we saw the breakout on 21st July, after 20 almost days, right here we started from 14 January. Do we think that we are going to see a breakout of 24? Maybe we are going to see about that though, but I think that 37 to 39 is a great buying entry, and trust me, if you have patience, you will not fail. Okay, and of course you will get to keep your money, and then you will see profits. But you need now to be the most patient out of everyone right here, and you need to wait. Waiting is the best solution right there that you have for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ethereum against Bitcoin chart. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.